Hey guys, we received this stencil or the drawing kit set for test and try. You can see this comes in a nice box, so just take this thing out. So this comes with this zipper box, and this is of course a easy to carry box, and then we can just take this zipper. So this is some material, this sketch pad with the 16 sheets and different type of pencils like for the sketching, all the different materials here. You can see the wax in, the sharpener, the rubber, all different types of stuff, and then you can just use this sketch pad to make your drawings. So all the different type of pencils are provided in here. As you can see, all the different marks are here, HB, 2H and everything. As I show all the different pencil materials. So the black pencils as well for the shading in. So this kit is actually very helpful to make your stencils or your sketches. Also good for kids who like drawings. Pretty handy to have everything in one place. So all these different materials are in here. As you can see, the charcoal, or to make it more like the shades of different colors, and then all the different materials here. So say like if you want to do any sketch, so just do whatever how it is described, and then you can also have this little like sketchy with all the different pencils, and then have fun with the drawings and the sketch or the way you want to do it. Hope you guys also have fun while drawing and sketching with all these different sets and tools, very helpful for the sketching itself. I'm just doing a random, I'm not a good sketcher, but hopefully this helps.